this video, I'm going to show you the real simple way on how to create a under maintenance page for your Wix website. All right, so first step is you want to log into your Wix dashboard. You want to find the website that you want to create the under maintenance or under construction for. So for this example, I'll use this site right here. I'll go to the three dots right here on site actions, and I'll go to edit site. Once you click on edit site, it'll bring you right here into your Wix editor dashboard. So once you're on the editor dashboard, what you want to do is now we're going to create a maintenance page. All right, now what you do is you'll go right here on the left side and scroll down to where you see it says pages and menus. Click on that. Okay, and then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there'll be a blue tab that says add page. So we'll click on that. Okay, so once we're here, we're actually going to go to just select the blank page. And what you want to do right here is you want to edit the name of the page. So we'll put maintenance. Then we'll click on done. Okay, now we have our blank maintenance page. Now, once you've created this actual maintenance page, real important key here is you want to go back to pages and menus and get back right here where you see the maintenance page, and you're going to click these three dots right here. First thing you want to do is you want it to set it as the home page. All right, so this way people aren't able to see your actual website outside of this maintenance page. So we'll set it to the home page. Then we're going to go back one more time to those three dots, and we're going to go to settings. All right, and you want to make sure that you click on hide from menu so people can't navigate throughout your website. They can strictly just see it on your home page. Next step is you want to go to layout. And instead of the standard, you want to put it no header and footer. Because if you leave it on standard, even if people land on your under maintenance page, they'll still be able to click through your menu section and see other parts of your website. You want to have no header and no footer, so they're strictly seeing that under maintenance page and can't navigate through any other part of the website. All right, so that's the last step you would need to do in the settings area. So we can back out of that. Close that, and you want to make sure you go ahead and just click on that save tab. So now that you have all those settings taken care of, this is pretty much how your page looks. All right, so there's no header, no footer at the bottom. You just have this blank page right here. So if you just click on the tab, you can change the background image. Or you just click right here on image. Just type in website, see what pops up. All right, so I think I'll just use this image right here. Click on that, change background. All right, then once I have my image in there, what I'll do is I'll go right here to the elements again, add element, text. Let's say I'll go with the header 1. I'll double click on those letters and put under maintenance. Widen this out a little bit, highlight that, and instead of 88, let's drop it down to a 65. So I can move this around so it actually shows in the best spot. And another thing right here, you know, a lot of times depending on what image you have in the background, sometimes the text might not show pretty clearly. So this one's pretty clear, but the way around it is, let's say I just click on the image, and right here, I'll go to change section background. Okay, then right here, I'll just go to the settings tab, and image opacity is at 100. I'll drop it. You know, I can drop it down to like 75. Once that's done, so the text does stand out a little bit more on the website. All right, so I'm just gonna move this around, make sure it's centered. You should see that red pink line show up right in the middle to let you know it's centered. Now, once you have your main title right there, you can go back to the plus symbol on the left side, and this time we'll do another text, but we'll do a heading 6 size text. Then right here, I'll just change the text and say, all right, so let me stretch this out real quick so it's not on so many lines. And once I have that, I think I'll center it, go to alignment, hit center. All right, and once again, make sure that this is lined up right in the center. This is just a sample. All right, and you can definitely get more creative with your text, depending on what type of product or service you're providing on your website. But this is the main structure of how you would construct a under maintenance page. So one other thing I'll change, I'll just drop down this, click on this down arrow right here and get some of that background, get some of that bottom piece out the way. Right, so once I'm finished with that, I'll click on save. Then I'll just go and click on publish. Okay, then once it's published, I can click on that and actually go to the website. All right, so as you can see, when I adjusted the bottom, it moved the picture a little bit. So now the text isn't showing pretty well. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go back to the site and I'll actually remove this text a little bit further down. All right, then I'll go back and hit save and hit publish once again. All right, then we'll go back to the website. Okay, and now we're looking pretty good. All right, so as you can see, when someone lands on this website, there's no other links, there's no menu section, so they can't actually see any other part of your website. All right, so thanks for watching. If you got any type of value, like the video and drop a comment if you have any questions. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll have more tutorial videos on the way. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Peace.